goes Simonella, scampers in for 42 yards. Is this Laban Marsh the second?
Amen. Little draw right up the middle. Simonella loose.
To the close side. Slocum keeps it himself, has a lot of running room to block, and Slocum is going to race in for another Trojan touchdown, beating the defender to the corner.
Slocum goes deep down the right side for Siegel. Got a step on his man. He comes down with the pass, and he's hauled down around the 7-yard line. A gaping hole up the middle. Simonelli's got one man to beat. John Fowler gets part of him. Gets him turned around, and Simonella is going to score all the way from his 35-yard line. Good snap. Hiles' kick is up. It is good. Jeff Hiles connects to end the half. Trojans going into halftime leading 37-0.
That's almost storybook, isn't it? That is almost storybook.
That really has to hurt the Tigers to end the half. Large rain that is coming down here, and right there was a big play of lightning. Back to pass, looking towards the corner, finds John Fowler, and he will score.
To Simonella, he fumbles the football, picks it up, tries to make something. Slocum, a nice block. Simonella to the 15, to the 11. Ball rolls out of bounds. Official is tripped up. Drops back. Has a man wide open again. It's Nevin Baker at the 20, and he's going to jump into the end zone for a Trojan touchdown.
Kenny Law rolling to his left, nowhere to throw it, and an
hit.
My
Hit.
Hall in motion. Slocum will keep it himself. Runs to the back judge, and he's got open field. It'll be a foot race.
What a great move.
Again makes another one miss, and that should be a penalty right there. Siegel breaks a tackle, breaks a couple more, and he is going to be gone.
What a great hit by Ryan over there. What a great hit to spring him loose.
Back to pass. Looking for the touchdown. It's intercepted by Ryan Irvin, number 4 with plenty of room in front. Irvin is going to score a touchdown. Trojan, a clean interception.
Slocum keeps it himself, gets across the 50 to the 40, and it's going to be a race. Slocum's going to go in for a Trojan touchdown from 52 yards. Slocum gives to Mihal, goes around the left side and jumps in for a Trojan touchdown. Slocum gives up the middle to Rob Greiger. Passes runs to the 40. He's across the 50. It's going to be a foot race and see if Greiger can hit the end zone. He's inside the 10, and Greiger's in for an 80-yard touchdown.